Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing something a little bit crazy. I'm doing the 5-minute makeup challenge, and I've never done I've never done my makeup like that fast before, not even in 10 minutes, like full glam makeup. Like I've never done that fast. Like it's so crazy to think about. I'm kind of nervous, so I have my phone and I'm going to just set the timer. My timer is set for 5 minutes and I'm really scared. Oh, and my chair is kind of squeaky, so hopefully you can't hear that in the video. Okay, let's just get started. Okay. I don't want to start it yet. Oh my gosh. And now, okay. So first I'm going in with foundation. Oh my gosh. Oh, no. Okay, so this is a little crazy. This is too dark for me right now. Wow, that's awesome. And I forgot a makeup wipe. Okay, just blend that down the neck. Cool. So how are you guys doing? I'm doing good. I mean, you know, life is good. Yeah, so I'm gonna not edit any of this video just so you can see that it's actually 5 minutes. And holy crap, oh my gosh, what the heck, a minute's already gone? Oh no. Oh, this ring is coming off. Honey, that is not staying on. Are you kidding me? Okay, I feel like I'm spending too much time on this foundation. I need to move on. Wow, blending down the neck. Wow, that looks so good. Okay, next, concealer, Tarte Shape Tape. Okay. I can do this. I can so do this. Oh, hi Phoebe, my dog is just staring at me. Okay. I feel like I'm really annoying when I'm trying to go fast. Wow, okay, so it's at 3 minutes and 20 seconds. I just need to not look at the clock. And oh my gosh, there's a hair in my eye. I got it. Prime the lids. Okay, cool. So next I'm just going to set that with some powder. My phone went off, so I don't know how much time I have left. Okay, cool. Okay, next I'm taking bronzer. Bronzer. Wow, that just looks like mud. Okay, cool. Okay. Wow, that's... What am I doing to myself? Why am I doing this to myself? Oh my gosh, what time? How much time? 2 minutes. Okay, sun-kissed look. Then going in with some blush and just getting that rosy cheek going on. Okay, cool. Highlighter. Okay. Highlighter. Good. All around. Get some on the nose. Chin. Cupid shawl. Cool. Okay. Eyebrows. No time to clean them out, so I'm just going to go ahead and take some brow powder, okay, and fill in my brows. Awesome. Cool. So how are you guys' day today? No. Oh no, this is a nightmare. What am I doing to myself? Oh, these are terrible. I made a boo-boo. Phoebe, I am in the middle of a video, so that is kind of rude. Thank you very much, but I cannot let you out of my room right now because I'm a little busy and I have 1 minute left in my video. Okay. Next, eyeshadow. I have a minute left. Okay. No time for talking. What is this life? I don't know. 40 seconds left. Cool. nose contour. Okay, and then I pop on 30 seconds left. Pop on the lids. Oh no, oh no, oh no. I'm like shaking right now. Oh, that looks terrible. 14 seconds, mascara. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, so here is the finished look. Yeah, you know, I got foundation, I got powder, I got blush, bronze, highlight, lips, eyebrows, a little bit of like, you know, glam eyeshadow, a little shine, a little sheen, a little depth, a little mascara, and that's it. And so I feel pretty good. I feel like this could have gone a lot worse. The lips are pretty horrific though. So, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this silly little challenge video. Yeah, I don't really know what else to say right now because I'm kind of in shock of how terrible this is. So I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.